Webnode AI is a whole new way to create a website. Here's how to build yours in a minute. Step 1. Tell Webnode what your website is about. Step 2. Choose a design you love. Whether sleek and modern or bold and energetic, pick the style that fits your brand. Step 3. Customize the details with our easy drag-and-drop editor. Personalize your site with your own photos and look. Step 4. Engage the AI tools. The AI text generator helps you with creating engaging texts, while the AI assistant creates entire sections like testimonials, FAQs, or even class schedules automatically. When you're ready, publish your site and go live instantly. It's really that simple. No coding, no hassle. Start your free AI-powered website today. Webnode.